Think you missed the boat on bulbs? Not so. Hi, I'm Ann Jagger, the garden gal. Even if you didn't plant bulbs last fall, they're blooming at the garden store. They come ready to go in pots. Pop them into a planter and don't worry about disturbing the roots. The bulbs are a lot tougher than you'd think. They will rot, though, if you let them sit in water. Drainage is important, and also full sun. This dwarf iris is good in planters or along a path, anywhere you can see it up close. It tends to get lost in a garden. Harmony has huge flowers compared to its leaves. Now, here's a little trick you might want to try. Sink whole pots of bulbs into the ground, and when the flowers are done, pull them up and replace them with something new. Don't change it. Lots of tulips have great patterns inside. The flowers actually close up at night for protection. Oh, and one more thing. Do not cut off leaves after the flowers die. The leaves store energy for next year's bulb bonanza. For more ideas, click Come See Me, Ann Jagger, on the web at gardengal.tv.